Good morning. So today we'll come to shopping for the coconut. So this is the coconut we pick. You pick for us. We'll show you how to pick the coconut. This is the coconut from ดำเนินสะดวกนะคะดำเนินสะดวกดำเนินสะดวก is close to Bangkok. I'm making a coconut cake every day. So for now I have an order a lot in the house. So I have to come here and pick it up. And this is 100% from ดำเนินสะดวก. This gentleman, he helping me to pick. Yeah, how to look. He will look like the size and then look around here. So now he got it. Maybe we can talk about that later. But now he's gonna bring and cut it. Yeah. Okay. อันนี้เราเลือกคนนัดเราดูว่าเนื้อหนาเนื้อบางเราดูที่ข้อนี้ใช่ไหมคะเศษอันนี้เป็นเนื้อชั้น1ชั้น2ชั้นครึ่ง so in Thai we can in Thai we call the you know the jelly meat inside the layer then how thin in here how thin in here I asked him like you can tell by from look around here right you see a look around here and this one you can see very green and kind of a little bit light so the layer meat in here they're pretty good I'm sorry I keep looking up I'm pretty good he said this is like 1.5 we call chan in Thai like a floor or you can say layer 1 layer 2 you know and this is not too thick or not too thin you can see that green and you see here kind of brown a little bit and this is kind of heavy you know this coconut from ดำเนินสะดวก which is very popular in Thailand in ดำเนินสะดวก they had a lot of they grow a lot so much of coconut and this coconut like kind of very perfumey aromatic or fragrant and for the moment it's a hot season pretty dry lake water and now the coconut in Thailand the price up you know like going up because the gardener the farmer has enough coconut for the market for the moment yeah so I'm gonna come and pick up them every week from here to show you I wanna open one เดี๋ยวพี่ซื้อแล้วก็ปอกผ่าลูกนึงก็ได้ค่ะดูน้ำแล้วก็ปอกค่ะ I love the smell you know this perfumy smell ขอบคุณค่ะ seeค่ะ this is the best for my cake you see the layer not too thin not too thick the jelly meat I love this one you know when I make my cake this one the perfume the smell it lasts even 4-5 days when I make my cake like open the box you still can smell it yeah but this is beautiful look at that can you see it here we go this is the best this gonna get it from him yummy and the water good for refreshing yeah เห็นไหมคะอันนี้จะอ่อนเขาบอกวิธีเลือกมะพร้าว how to choose the coconut that thin like a jelly thin meat inside or thick you see green and a little bit white here the more white it is the more thin layer the jelly meat inside is ดูนะคะว่าอันเนี้ยลูกมันเล็กเห็นไหมคะแล้วมันมีวงขาวๆแสดงว่ามะพร้าวI like to mention that the one he's building here right he put to soak in the water to keep it white and also after you pick the coconut right like this just sit outside in the bag or let it sit in a room temperature you can keep it for 3 days you know 2-3 days but if you refrigerate it you can keep them about a week